Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to get the Matchmasters mod menu completely free. This method works on both iOS and Android, and it unlocks unlimited coins, boosters, spins, and much more. As you can see on screen, this mod menu gives you access to all the top hacks in Matchmasters, free shopping, unlimited coins, boosters, spins, and everything unlocked. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, this method is simple. First, make sure your Matchmasters app is updated to the latest version. Just head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. If your game is already up to date, you're ready for the next step. Next, scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've explained exactly where you can get Matchmasters plus latest version. Follow the instructions there to get started. That's it for today's guide on the Matchmasters mod menu for iOS and Android. Enjoy your unlimited coins, boosters, and spins, and I'll see you in the next video.